everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about how to use a beauty blender in a correct way.
So, step 1 is to wash your beauty blender under running water for about 15-20 seconds. Then squeeze it and remove all the water from it. After this, use a dry cotton cloth or you may use a towel to remove extra water from it, as we want only a damp beauty blender, not a wet one. And here we go. Our beauty blender is soft and ready to be used.
So this was about how to use a makeup beauty blender in a correct way. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share this video among your friends. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.